Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Mioro Touch Nax all-in-one personal trimmer. As you can see, this is a transparent package. You can see what the trimmer looks like. This is basically a precision trimmer or even a nose trimmer. You use this to trim basically small hair particles in your nose, in your ear, or under your neck. It comes with an attachment, a brush attachment over here, and also a AAA battery right over here. And then some specifications I mentioned. This comes with German stainless steel blades, 50% more blade, LED light, rubber non-slip grip, 50% more power, replaceable AAA batteries, and that's more or less it. This is great for nose, ear, eyebrow, neckline, sideburns, and trim layer around ears. That's more or less it. I will open this and show you what's inside. And there you go. These are the components of the box. Okay. This is the user manual. This is the instruction guide for the Mioro Touch Nax, the all-in-one personal trimmer. Everything that you want to know is listed in this particular document. This is the AAA battery that you will use to charge this or run this particular device. These are the two comb attachments it comes with. There you go. There are two of them. Sizes are not mentioned. And there's also a cleaning brush for when you want to clean the stainless steel blades. Let's take a look at the trimmer. This is what it looks like. It's very compact and super light. This is the rubber. This part has a rubber grip. This also has this metallic element to it, but this is actually made out of plastic. The entire thing is made out of plastic. And this part has a rubber grip, as I mentioned, and there is a piano black finish on this end. This is where the battery goes in, and it's written open over here. So let's just pull it up, and there you go. This is where the battery goes in. I'm going to insert the battery for now, for the purpose of this video, and we are now good to go. Let me show you the blades first. By the way, this particular blade comes with this blade cover as well. It's a nice addition. And these are the stainless steel blades in question. Now I'm going to turn this on. Currently it's in the off position, this particular dial. This is what you would use to turn it on and off. So let's turn it on. There you go. You hear that it's working perfectly. And this knob, it gives you a light source as well. Basically a very small LED lamp is attached to it. And that's it. This is what you'll find inside the pack containing the Mioro Touch Nax all-in-one personal trimmer. Thank you for watching.